Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to install React.js in Visual Studio Code. Firstly, go to code.visualstudio.com, download and install VS Code for your OS. Next, go to Node.js.org and download the LTS version. After installation, open a terminal or command prompt. Run the node v and npm v to confirm both are installed. Now, to create a new React app, just use the npx create react app my react app command. This will create a new folder in my React app with a fully configured React setup. Now navigate into the app folder by writing the code cd my React app. Next, open project in Visual Studio Code and then run code. This opens your React project directly in VS Code. To start the development server, write the npm start code. This runs the app in development mode. It will auto-open in your browser at localhost 3000. Now, open the src folder in VS Code and modify app.js or create new components in src/components. You're now ready to start developing your React app. Let me know if you want more tips on folder structure, using Tailwind CSS or deploying the app later. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.